Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today, as shown on the screen, Excel files merger apps. All you need to do, click a button to merge all Excel files in a folder. The simple Excel files merger apps allows you to merge multiple Excel files with a single click. It is the continuation of part 1 where the Excel VBA method require manually adding a margin macro to an Excel spreadsheet and assign it to a button. In this tutorial, I have packaged the code into a standalone application that performs the merge with just one click of a button. Simply download, open and use it. It is completely free, especially created for Data Server subscriber, and it is designed to make your daily spreadsheet tasks faster, more accurate, and free from hassle of manually copying data from multiple Excel files. I'm going to go to the next slide to show you what we need to cover for today's topic. As few seconds mentioned, this is the introduction to Excel file merger apps already done. And what we're going to be covering again is we're going to demonstrate that you have two bits, 32 bits and 64 bits. Also, the demo will be based on small file, so less than about 100, and the big data, which is about 1 million record of rows. And also take note, the EFM app, which is Excel file merger apps, require Microsoft Access installation for you to use it, or you can use Microsoft Runtime application. This is free from Microsoft, the Microsoft Runtime, and also the application is free. Note, the maximum file record to merge is 1,048,576. So let me go to the next stage. After download, it depends on the setting of your macro in your Microsoft Excel. You may encounter macro error. Follow this description as described on this page. Right mouse click the application, click Properties. From the Open Properties window, go to the bottom right of Properties, tick on Lockbox, click Apply, click OK. You can see at the bottom right of this screen, this is the screen capture of what you need to do. This is what you're going to see at the bottom of your page. When you right mouse click, then you just tick this unblock. That's it. So not to take too much of your time, let me just straight away go open our folder, then I will open our apps. Okay, this is the big file we're going to try first. We have in this particular big file 100,000 record per month, so we have 10 months, so equates to 1 million record. Let us open one of the record for you, the first one, so that we can justify how many we have in that one. So you can see we have this one comprised of 10 column count, and the record we have here in this one is 100,000. Even the fact is showing 100,001 because of the header is 100,000 record. Let's go to the end. As you can see, it's 100,000. So I'm going to close it. As it's closed, and the next thing I'm going to leave this one open. Before we leave it open, let's go back again to our folder. This is our apps is loading. It's loaded successfully. We go back to our folder so that we can see when the file successfully merged. This is our folder. Our apps is in the background. I'm going to call it up again. Then you click Excel file merger, and the navigation page is loading. Then we click big data. Then we click OK. That's it. That's what we need to do, and the merging process begins. Let's see how long it's going to take. I should believe that it's about a minute. So for you to merge record of a million record for 1 minute plus, that's very, very efficient application. Imagine you working with a lot of, because of practical section, and make it to be 100,000 per file, which is 10. Imagine you have about maybe 50 different folder, and you have each of them you have maybe 20 Excel file, and you can use this application to facilitate efficient and accurate in doing your daily spreadsheet on daily basis. It's very efficient and it's good for those who of you doing data analysis, or even if you are just working on spreadsheet and downloading on a weekly basis. This is very good application that you can make use of. After all, it's free of charge. All you need to do is just come to data server on a daily basis. So it takes 1 minute 14 seconds, which is good. Let's go back to the folder and see how many what we got in our file. It's loading, so you can see the loading. So it's going to open our file to see. So we're going to check the count, how many successfully loaded. That's it. That's our file. Let's see if it's 1 million record. Let's expand the header first. That's the big file we try as an example. We try the later, the smaller one. So this is 10 column count. Just one thing you need to take note: you must have the same column count data type for you to use this application in your folder for all the Excel file. And if you look at that, is you can see is 1,000,001. So it's working. So this is what you need to understand. So for less than 1 minute 14 seconds for the match is very efficient. So I'm going to close it. There's no need to save because of time. So I'm going to try to do the second one, which is the smaller file. Definitely this is more, this will be more less time consuming compared to the other one. Let me close this as well. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the smaller. I'm going to work on this smaller file. You can see accessory. We have bike, small. They are all 25 record bar. Let me open it to see how many record we have in each of them. Just to see the first one, we have a 25 record per one. It's opening. That's it. We have 11 counts of column. As you can see, 10. This is 10 counts as well. And we have 25 record showing 26 because of the header. So I'm going to close it. And the next thing to do is to use our apps. It's in the background. I'm going to load it. Then we can just click navigate to the delete and small Excel file, which is this one. We click OK. And this is a smaller file. It should be less than 30 seconds. So as you can see, this takes 10 seconds. And with smaller file, we go there, we open our file, see how many we have got. So this is all what you need to do. It's just straightforward. All you need to do, go to the description section. The link will be there. Then you can download the zip file, both 32 and 64-bit. So let's see how many we have. As we said, the column count must be the same thing. We have 10 column counts and 101 record. But it's 100 record with header. You can see that's it. This is all what you need to understand in order to use this application. So sky is limit. Come for more tutorial in data server, and you can get free application that you can make your life easier in your day-to-day spreadsheet task. So that's all what we have for you today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm looking forward to roll out another application that can match more than 1 million, even run it to 2 million. I remain your style. Stay blessed.